Hello friends and welcome to my channel TKC Edu. So today we are going to talk about Utkatasana, the method, step by step, and its uses and prevention. Technique. From the standing Tadasana, stretch upwards both arms along the head and let the two palms meet. While gently exhaling, bend the knees slowly to assume a sitting on an imaginary chair position. The trunk and the head remains straight and perpendicular while the bent thighs remain parallel to the ground. Continue in this position for about half a minute or so to go back to the original position while inhaling slowly and bringing down the outstretched arm. So first, after stretching both the arms upwards and letting the palms meet, we need to exhale and keep bending our knees and attain a position like sitting on an imaginary chair. And after this, the inhaling, when we have to inhale, because while during doing yoga, we need to pay proper attention on the breathing patterns. So, after coming down slowly, that is taking our hands slowly down, we need to inhale slowly. And this is the position which we need to attain at the end. Uses. This is often used as in warm-up exercise. The shoulder joint, knee joints are activated along with the thigh muscles. Your entire body gets activated. All the joints get activated, so reducing the chance of injuries. The ankle joints take the main gravitational pull and become stronger. The raised hands tend to lift the diaphragm while pressing on the heart and lungs gently. Hence, it also massages the internal abdominal and the thoracic organs. This is also similar to the squatting position. Hence, it works on the entire lower body and it strengthens all the muscles, including the buttocks, the thighs. It has a stimulating effect on the movement of the intestine, that is the peristalsis. Most importantly, when this should not be used. If you have a knee injury, ankle injury, chronic back pain, stomach ache, hand injury, and please maintain the position, sitting on the chair position, only the time you are comfortable with. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.